Hello FME friends, and welcome to this 2025.1 feature demonstration video. In this video, I will examine changes made to the FME Workbench menu bar in 2025.1. There are many tools and shortcuts available to create an FME workspace, but the menu bar is still very important to most users. After many years of accumulated changes and updates, we felt that it was time to review the entire structure and look for improvements. The outcome of this review is the new menu bar layout that you see in FME 2025.1. At the top level of the new menu bar layout, 4 new headings emphasize the usual development workflow for a workspace. Typically, we build a new workspace, run it to test the results, organize it using the concepts of best practice, and then deploy it using FME Flow. Functionality is grouped under these headings by what it does rather than by what it adds to the canvas. For example, the tools to add a reader, writer, or transformer now come under the heading Build because they are tools used to build a workspace. Under the Run heading come all of the tools and options for running a workspace, including the options for caching and counting records, and the ability to display related window panels. Also notice that feature caching and feature counting now use different terminology. We now refer to them as data caching and record counting. This is a deliberate move away from the term feature, which not every user will be familiar with. Similarly, the feature inspector is now called the breakpoint inspector, and the visual preview window is now called the data preview window. Under the Organize heading come all of the options and functionality for laying out a workspace and annotating its components. Finally, under Deploy come all of the tools for publishing to and downloading from FME Flow. The Utilities heading is the new name for the Tools menu. It retains many of the same tools and is still the point of access for FME options. However, some items have been moved. For example, Manage User Parameters now comes under the more logical heading of Build. Other menu items retain the same name, but have minor changes to their content. For example, the Help menu is more or less unchanged, but becomes the home of the new AI Assist functionality. Similarly, the File menu loses tools to publish to FME Flow to the Deploy heading. Finally, to help new users, we're also making more use of the terms source and destination. You can see the phrases used on an empty canvas and under the new Add button, plus source and destination are now the preferred terms in the Quick Add dialog. With these changes, we feel that the menu bar now better reflects the way that our users create workspaces. Items are organized by the different authoring stages to help our users find the tools they need at the correct stage of development. Check the Data Inspector and Quick Translator applications too for more menu bar updates. I hope you found this video interesting and that you will enjoy the new functionality. Look out for other video demos for the 2025.1 release.